Agartala Smart City Limited ni lua jimong web baskango thangai tongkha terek ke tangsalo Agartala Smart City Limited ni data center songsajaka Indranagar bai khobjak IT bobono a data center no songsai reka haste hapangni okra sachib JK Singha bi logio panda manjak faika Urban Development ni sachib Abhishek Singh te Agartala Smart City ni CEO eba Agartala Pur Nigam ni Commissioner Shailesh Kumar Yadav data center songsai rimani yakulo joto samung butang no Shungmung Klaika Okra Sochipno, Shailesh Kumar Yadav, Abuni Ulo, Koktumtumna Yubuskango, Agartala Smart City Limited ni CEO eba Purnikom ni Commissioner, Shaklaika, Rwjakha Aglin Dalbidal Thayo, CCTV camera Asu Rwjakha Tongo, Joto CCTV camera wono 156 km optical fiber by Klai data center Rohozagi Tongo, Tabungni Shimi 24/7 data center Salogi Tongnai, Agulini Dalbidal Thaini, CCTV camera ni footage शाथामचीनी सेप तोंगनाई।
ये आज यहाँ पे हमारे माननीय चीफ सेक्रेटरी ने आज डेटा सेंटर इनॉग्रेट किया। तो दिस इज डेटा सेंटर ऑफ द इंटीग्रेटेड कमांड एंड कंट्रोल सेंटर ऑफ अगरतला स्मार्ट सिटी। बेसिकली इट हैज़ गॉट सर्वर्स विच आर वर्किंग 24/7 and equipments worth around 30 crore rupees which are installed inside. And this was earlier hosted in DIT data center, but DIT data center there were issues of some shifting and all, so we decided to have our own data center. All the elements, smart elements which are installed in the whole of city, all the CCTV cameras, all the traffic signals, all the LED display boards, all the weather information display boards which are there, other systems which are there, they are all connected with 156 kilometer optical fiber cable which is owned by Agartala Smart City. All that comes here. This is basically brain of the whole system. From here, it runs 24/7. We have a default provision of storage of all the data, like all CCTV footages, everything which happens all around the city for 30 days. If there is any incident, for example, if police wants some particular data to be stored for a longer time, for law and order or investigation for crime detection, it can be stored for whatever time they want.
Abahai data center Rwjakha Aglin Dalbidal Nangkongmani Shebdati Keno Shamung Engnai Wan Shukmung. Bureau Report Kokkorang.